I have a secret biscuit stash in my tank.
Ah,
There's not that many biscuits in
that's
it.
to go with my ginger nut collection.
But you don't like this.
Yeah.
That's why you put them in.
No, that's why I hide them, because I do like them a lot.
Do you?
Yeah, rich tea.
Do you like rich tea as well?
Yeah.
All right, back to work.
Back to work.
What should I do first? I need to finish that tank today.
Yes, you do.
It's been quite long.
I do need to finish that tank today, please. Finish the tank. Get out of the way, stupid bird. Whip it off. We're going to test fit the filler neck. When we test fit the filler neck, then we're going to clean it out, clean both the ends up, clean the ends up. So it's all nice, super clean.
How about these tubes?
Yeah. Just give them a clean off.
Yeah.
And then start welding.
So now guys, the tank is fully prepared for welding and I'm waiting Iggy to come back to film it properly, how Simon does a priceless lesson and explains everything. What's the clever word?
Clever word?
Yeah, how we're gonna weld the metal on the metal with a TIG welder without the filler.
No! Because I can't remember.
Oh, you can't remember?
I might be able to remember, but I'm not telling you. Ingenious.
I was ingenious.
Ingenious. It's an ingenious way of doing it.
Androgynous.
Androgynous.
That means
Hypotenuse.
it's unisex. Androgynous means unisex. So
yes.
Male and female both can do that type of welding.
What are you doing with that? Neck brace?
I'm doing a neck brace, which I will be copying from your neck brace because I like where it is and also I like how the tank is mounted. So that will be fully copied placement. I will measure your neck brace for the length and then I will cut it and I will make it fit. After it's cut the angle will be obvious, so yeah.
For sure.
That's the plan for a neck brace.
Alright, stop annoying me then and get on with it.
Am I annoying?
Yes, you're annoying me.
Since when?
2 years ago. I've forgotten what I was doing now. Burning my finger.
What are you doing?
Foot clutch. I'm making my own foot clutch, but I've never made one before.
So it's engineering solutions.
Yeah.
Also you have a letter H on your bench.
Yeah, that's for
Honda.
happiness.
Oh, is it?
No, I'm a hologram. I'm not really here today. Oh, I'm not really here today, I'm a hologram.
Also earlier, Simon injured himself. He poked his...
I poked myself in the eye with my safety glasses.
I'm gonna put a light bulb above your head now. Yeah. Tell me what you've done.
I've cut this clutch cable down. I've made a bracket and a hoop. I've made a foot. I've just got to make a collar for the cable to sit in, and then I should have a foot clutch.
Wow. Wow.
I've never made one before.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Might work. Might not. What does Pickle think? Is it going to work? Is it? We don't know.
She don't look too convinced.
No. I'm mad. She says I'm mad. Shush shush. Shush up. Come here. Stupid dog.
Tap and die.
Tap and die.
Like ride or die.
Ride or die.
Tap and die.
Yes.
So what's the die part?
Cutting threads.
This?
Yeah. That makes threads. And that makes threads. And for making threads.
This is for making threads on the tube.
On the outside, yeah.
Yeah, and this is for making on the inside.
Yes.
Tap and die.
Tap
And die.
and die.
Die.
Do or
Die
die.
looks like flowers.
Yeah, they're pretty, aren't they? That goes in a.
I know, right?
That goes in a.
Look at this. Oh yeah, I remember doing that.
You've done it before.
Yeah, I just never seen it as a kid. You hidden it.
Oh, there's loads of them. Look, another one under
You used
there.
to hide everything from me.
Look at that one.
Were you scared that I'm Lithuanian and I'm gonna steal something?
Yeah, I have to hide all my stuff.
All the pretty stuff.
Yeah. No, I just made this to hold the clutch cable in.
Oh, that's so cool. You made it.
Yes. I drilled a hole and put that, cut that in there. That's going to hold my clutch cable.
That's so pretty.
Little grub screw. That will wind all the way in there and squash my cable on. Needs a bit of a clean up with the tap.
Okay, do you like my neck brace?
Yes, I do. Wow. I do like your neck brace.
So that
Another
is done.
star.
That needs another star.
Another
We need to get
star.
some stars today.
How have you got on with the oil tank? Where's the oil tank at?
My oil tank is gone over here. Oil tank is all prepared for welding.
Right.
I cleaned the inside with brake cleaner.
Yeah. Got all
Yeah.
the swarf out.
You happy about that?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want any swarf in there when we seal it up.
Okay. So I clean that. And I prepared the plates.
Okay, are you ready to go then?
Yeah.
That's good.
I am ready to go.
That means you've had a
I'm
busy
not sure
morning.
how much I'm ready, but like time-wise, I am ready, but mentally, I'm not sure I'm prepared for that sort of a task. Androgynous welding.
Hypotenuse welding. Thought it was going to be. It's tight on that edge, but
How are
it's
we
looking
going to
like
do it then?
we'll have to use filler.
Okay. So it won't be an androgynous welding. It will be welding with filler. Yeah?
Yes.
So pretty much the same as what I did the inside.
Yes.
Even easier because the plate is thicker.
Yes. Very much easier.
That's how I try to convince myself.
Yeah.
It's gonna be easy. You want me to tack it?
You mean?
Okay. It's quite a big gap, isn't it?
All right, you're just tacking it on in about 4 places.
Yeah. On one side, the gap is pretty big.
Yeah. Oh well, have lots of filler, but don't go. Try not to tack too near to the magnets.
Yeah, I don't. I think the magnet is getting like fire towards it.
Yeah, that's what magnets do. So get a
Okay.
tack, move the magnet out of the way.
Okay. The gaps are very stressful.
Lay the thick filler in there. Mm-hmm. Strike it.
Basically just melt the filler.
Yeah. And once your pool's gone, then you can start dipping. Once your pool's up and running, don't forget to leave your torch over there. That's tacked on.
Okay.
So I laid the filler in the rod in there like that,
Yeah.
and I used that and do. And then once my pool started forming, look,
Yeah.
la 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 la.
Yeah. I will try.
Yeah,
I'll see how it goes.
for sure. On this end. All right.
That's my boiling.
I'm gutted to chuck the sofa away now. You could have had a little lie down in the sofa while you're doing it. You'll be fine.
It's fucking stressful, isn't it?
I trust you emphatically. I have all the faith in the world. Don't fuck it up.
And for somebody who asked how many holes I made before I welded like this is the real life. This is the real time. It's nothing happens. I don't have a spare tank to weld. This is
No, you don't.
We are very short on metal, so I can't fuck it up, and I'm going straight away. So this, I think I will have to melt.
You're going too fast.
Because I'm scared to make a hole.
We can fill it.
Okay. So it's a little bit slower.
Don't forget how thick this plate is.
Yeah, but I'm scared to make a hole on this.
Yeah, well, that's why you're going from the plate to that. You go from the thick to the thin, don't you?
Yeah.
Perhaps you want to go this edge.
Yeah, probably I
Go
have
that
to
way.
go the other way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I will feel better. It's nowhere to put my elbow as well. It's very strange, this weld. It's like real life weld, where it's not fucking comfortable at all.
Not fucking comfortable. Well, I'm not fixing this. You're fixing this. So if this leaks, you're fixing it.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah, I melted better. No, but I melted better. It's more melted now. I still have to work on the speed because sometimes it's better. It's like laid. Looks like yours. And sometimes I still too fast.
I'm letting you struggle on purpose, you know that? Yes. Go on with it.
You forgot to say said the actress.
I'm letting you struggle on purpose, said the actress. There you go.
Yay! Look, 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 I did it! I fucking did it!
I told you you'd fucking do it.
Finally! Look at this.
See? Get on with it.
That's a good one, isn't it? That's how I have to do it.
Yes.
Just look at this. Look at that gap and look at that weld. I did it by myself.
It'd be really good if you did the rest of it as well.
Yeah, but that's a task for the all day, isn't it?
Get on with it.
Is somebody smoking weed?
That's a really British thing to say. Can you smell weed?
Yeah, but you can smell weed everywhere around this country.
I'll just start talking.
I like these ones, the white ones.
Oh, they're not even real milk bottles, are they? Anyway, I digress.
Look, I have a sheep.
Oh, nah. Choo-choo. Anyway,
It was a
good day today. 3 stars.
So today, I did all the tasks that I meant to do and even a little bit more.
And swept up.
Extras. And also cleaned the workshop.
Swept up.
Swept up the workshop. So I earned 2 stars. 2 more stars now. I have 3 golden stars I have. What we did is the oil tank is finished. And the task was to finish it in 3 days.
Yes.
So it's completed in 3 days. As you can see, I welded with no holes. All by myself. So very, very, very happy about that.
And your neck brace.
And the neck brace nicely lined up with the engine,
By accident.
which is happened excellently on purpose. Next grow task will be to do a seat.
Yeah, on this one, cut your seat pan, line it all up for your mounts and your springs, and fit the mounts onto the frame. Springs, we'll roll the seat. We could do it in English wheel, but it's 3mm thick steel. You'll be there a while.
Oh, okay. I've never used an English wheel.
All right,
It
yeah.
would be interesting.
Just keep your thumbs out of the way.
Oh, okay. Is it painful?
No, probably just bend it in the vise.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a seat episode, but before that, I am bringing another Harley Davidson Sportster that I have, and the fully running one with suspension, a Sparrow.
Ah.
Oh, you thought I am bringing another one? No, a Sparrow. You know Sparrow. You're
Yes.
familiar with Sparrow. You're okay
I know
with him.
Sparrow.
You're okay with Sparrow.
Yes.
Sparrow is fine.
Yes.
Sparrow is a nice
And
bike.
fork seals
To do a fork
and
seals.
other such surprises.
Yes, and some surprises to do on it. Also, as to do a full service on the forks, because it's nearly 50,000 miles and it's just about time, isn't it?
Could be like gravy in there, that would. Be like old grey gravy. Yeah.
We just need potato mash. And also, I'm using a little bit thicker fork oil to have a little bit slower reaction, so hopefully it will handle better on the corners.
Yes.
So it's going to be as good as sports bike.
That's yes. Have you told anybody what brakes you're putting on Crow?
Oh, nobody knows. You can guess. It starts with B and ends with O.
Has it got Rem in the middle?
Like Rambo.
Yeah.
fancy brake calipers.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a full leather chopper. Suspension,
leather.
we're putting suspension under the seat.
Olin's.
Olin's.
Olin's seat springs.
Is it Olin's? No. We can put Olin's stick on them.
Yeah. Gonna run
spring.
slicks on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't want slicks. I don't think they will look
Intermediates.
nicely.
Yes. All that and more to come
Yeah.
here. And happy birthday to Clive
Who's Clive?
at work.
Is that the one with the red knees?
No, that's Bobby Dazzler. It's Clive at work.
Did he ever came? At what work?
No, he's never been here, but he's a massive fan.
Is he?
Yeah.
Also, we have to sing happy birthday to him.
Yes, sing him happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Clive.
Clive.
Happy birthday to you. We can provide singing at birthdays, funerals, and weddings.
2 flapper discs.
And if you want Simon to play a guitar, it will be 10 flapper discs.
10 flapper discs.
And for 20, I can play with a hammer, a drums.
And for 21, I'll do it in a bikini.
And for 30 flapper discs, I can play drums with a hammer on a person you don't like.
Oh yeah. Two big hammers.
But it can't be at the funerals.